thing just imploded. That's dumb that you have to, it only works on YouTube. Oh, now can I view it on Twitch? No, still not. What the heck? Yeah, like, I don't know why it's not on Twitch. No clue. Like, it just does, it says I'm just not live on Twitch. So, Restream must not be doing anything. How do you file a bug? I need to file a bug. Who wants to go? Stream is being sent to YouTube, but not to Twitch. Right? That's a bug. Yeah. Come on, AI bot. Do your job. I have never had an issue with bitrate limits. Ever. But yeah, my bitrate's really high right now. Like, look. Okay, so how do you lower bitrate then? We'll just do this one on YouTube and then remind me, somebody. Google how to lower bitrate OBS. Oh, it's right here. Settings, streaming. Oh. Did that do anything? Am I on Twitch now? Was it really a bitrate problem? I didn't even read this. So it says the bitrate is lower now. But do I have to... I'm not gonna start streaming again. But... that sucks. Well, it's on YouTube. Right? How do you become a Go developer expert? You know the right people? I have never had a problem with bitrate until just now. No, it's not for kids. It happens every time. Cool. Well, should we, I'll just remind, hey Siri, set a reminder for tonight at 9 o'clock to organize my life in Notion again. Cool. Works too hard. Basically, what happens is I have this much. I have this much like mental bandwidth, right? Like basically, I just have this much mental bandwidth, and when I have a stupid job, I only need this much bandwidth to do my job. And so I can do a lot of extra stuff because I have half my bandwidth at my current job. Which I get paid for it, so I'm not complaining too much. Instead of taking this much bandwidth, it takes this much bandwidth, so I only end up with like this much extra at the end of the day. So like, I don't know if organizing my life's gonna actually mean I do anything about it. But we can pretend. We can pretend that life's gonna change. So let's go to Pedro. So yeah. Go west already happened. Just work harder? Why don't you work harder so I don't have to? That'd be great. Because I would really, 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 really like to, finish my, Go course. I'd really like to do that soon. Please and thank you. So here's the thing. I think I have like 4 abandoned branches now. And we're just gonna go through and clean things up. As far as Pedro goes, I know exactly what I want to do. Where's Pedro? Yeah, Pedro can't edit Nightbot commands. Feature requests. We need to... Oh, look at that. This is cool. We need to Dockerize Pedro. What does this mean? This means I want to build and release Docker containers for the Pedro Go code. This will allow me to have a generic chat bot with secrets. Generic. Have a chat bot for a programming channel, right? Named Pedro. I want a Docker container built with CI/CD and released to GitHub container registry.io. That's what I want. We're not doing that. None. We want to create a new issue. This is just the 3 things that I have immediately. Feature request. Kill Nightbot. What do we need to do? Pedro does not have the context of my Nightbot reminders. It would be nice to not have 2 chat moderators / command creators, because Pedro can do that. So how do you do it? Use a vector DB to, it's pretty simple, to match question types and return responses. The responses are the same as Nightbot. What is the alternative? Nightbot. So. And then the last thing I wanted to do. Oh yeah, the other thing I need to do is give Pedro a longer chat window. Well, first off, we need to parallelize Pedro. What does this mean? We just need to make sure chat, reminders, and, well, yeah, chat, reminders, and LLM prompt management happen on 3 different threads. Use Go routines for prompting. We won't, if we need to pass across memory. We shouldn't need to. Essentially, like, there's just gonna be 3 Go routines, and like, we still want, for the most part, like the LLM part to be an SDK, like the Twitch, but as far as like for but the posting to Twitch chat will be different than the processing of Twitch chat. So basically, we should have. I have a thought for it in my head. I know exactly what I want it to look like. And then the last thing I need to do is teach Pedro. Well, we need to extend Pedro's chat context. So, use the in-memory, I forget what it's called, chat history map to, it's pretty simple. Give Pedro context of the last 10 messages. It's pretty simple. And then the last one, new issue. And we're going to do this one right now. And then we'll probably do the other one. We'll do this one right now. But I don't want to deploy it without Docker, if that makes sense. So we'll do this one, then we'll do the Docker build. Can you create a branch? Notice how they use hyphens instead of slashes? People, like, we use Linear for our task management, and they generate theirs with slashes, and that's bad. Because slashes mean something about paths, and they, like, so lots of CI/CD and error checking and things like that don't know how to process slashes. So we shouldn't be using slashes, but all of these branch generators are like, use slashes. And I'm like, no, just use the hyphen like everybody else in their dog and we'll be fine. Nobody cares how long the branch name is, and the context doesn't even matter. It's not that helpful. I just want it to auto-close my issues. That's it. The only thing a branch has to do is auto-close the issue. And link to it, and we're fine. Okay. Let's teach Pedro about Go. It's pretty simple. So right here is our system prompt. You're allowed to use links to code, emotes, expressions about software. Troy Beats Twitch chat. So right here we need to add Soy Pete. Oh, see, you want to know what else I need to do, Dallin? I know you're not here anymore. I have 15 blog posts I need to finish. 15. I'm too busy. I'm too tired from work. So since I sit next to you, Dallin, I need you to make me not be tired at work. Maybe we should just have cornhole competitions and see who's the better at cornhole, and then I won't be tired when I leave work. Who codes more caffeine? So I went to Swig today because it's Friday, and because I don't drink, caffeine definitely is the emotional support vice I have, which is funny because caffeine hypes you up. It doesn't help you relax. So it's like, you guys really know that that's not going to help you be better. It's just going to make the crash worse, which is essentially the point. So, I went to Swig, and if you don't know what Swig is, just watch the series on Hulu, Secret Lives of Mormon Wives, and you'll know exactly what Swig is. They have a new flavor, and it has toffee and almond roca in it, and I'm like, how do you have toffee? I haven't found any chunks, but, like, they blended it up, and it tastes, I was like, tasted it, I'm like, something smells roasted. Like, it tasted like roasted something, and anyway, I had to check the ingredients. Because I don't like to drink, like, it's too nutty. I don't want to drink nuts. Does live coding Hey, boss, can I say I'm employed as a staff engineer? Or should I just say I'm a member of... I'm gonna say I am a member, because this already makes me sound cooler. There we go. Now... Someone addresses you by name. Please respond to them by answering the question to the best of your ability. You are allowed to use links, code, or emotes. You're not allowed to use links. Do not use links, but instead use Pedro, but you can use. Oh, thank you for following. How come I didn't get the... Oh, I don't get to hear Pedro anymore. I don't get to hear the Pedro sounds anymore. That's so sad. I'll have to figure out how to reroute that back into Pedro. Pedro. Oh. The goat? Okay, so thank you. I think you just approved me. to do that. Okay, so now Pedro knows. This is pretty simple. All we did was we said we code and go. So now Pedro... Oh, we got to add another thing. When we do this. Ask a question about software. I have this... Approve a PR. Don't use new lines. Do not talk about Java or JavaScript or any... Thank you. See, look, we don't allow Java and JavaScript in this channel. Fix. This is definitely a fix. Change system prompt to be more topical. I mean, it was kind of already topical, but... Yeah, I only know who Dr. L. Davis is. Oh, I need to change my get remote. How do you... Get remote dash help. I need to set URL. Oh, I just need to rename. Oh, no, I don't. I need to set the URL. Get remote set URL. So wait, so I need to set URL, add. This is the, oh, I'm pretty sure it's origin. Origin. Oh, it's get remote, not remove. Oh, and fetch. Oh, we need to delete it first. Oh, cool, it worked. So, if you didn't know, can you hear the music? Oh, yes, you can hear the music. We determined that there was music. We should only use this instead of Slack. Please. And then we can have Pedro involved too. We'll change Pedro to be able to handle PRs. I'm gonna put this in Discord if anybody wants to review. I know Dr. L. Davis is gonna be too busy to review, and he probably doesn't use Discord because he's not a gamer like me. So. Hey, Widow, when you make your LLM side project, will you make it so that it manages my Git repos for me with the Git API? That would be super fabulous. You can use Pedro. I'll give you the API. I'll add you to my tailnet. And then you can just send your requests to, like, my hosted one. And, I mean, you could just use Pedro. I don't care. Edit the code. We'll just host it. It's because you're not an Elden Lord? Is that you're not on Discord because you're not an Elden Lord? If anyone wants to review... I'm also not an Elden Lord. Cool. Oh! Pedro reviewed my PR. We're good to go. That's it. Pedro reviewed my PR. Pedro says it's good to go. Let's ship it. I mean, Dallin Davis reviewed it too, so we'll merge and go. But thanks, Pedro. Thanks, Pedro and Dallin, for the review. Let's ship it. You want to know how we ship Pedro? Oh, Nightbot. Nightbot, that already happened. Nightbot, that already happened. Okay, I'll show you how I ship things. Because I'm super ghetto. Like, we go over here. We go get status. Get pull. Isn't this great? Go build. See, I tried to release with Docker once. And then we do Twitch, LLM bot. And now we're good. And now Pedro should only talk about Go, ever. So what is the releasing branch? What is... That was you're a wizard, Harry? Oh yeah, I took off I used to have like the GitHub like branches things here, which was really easy to add. But I took it off because I would get too many work things on there. Alright, so this was the releasing. Build a Docker image and release. Where did I get on that? Docker container registry. Wait, I'm not going to the Docker. Oh, yeah. So this is actually not what I want to do. The problem is, like, this is fine, but there's quite a few environment variables that it needs to pull in, not just OpenAPI key. Yeah. See this file name? So we're supposed to have a secret file that has all of those things in there. We need to fix that. Ooh, how do we do... That's a good... Security policy. Set up a security policy. How do we do that? Oh, I don't even think we have versions. Do we have versions? Oh, look, we did run Docker once. Yeah, we need to set up versioning too. How did I do that? I've done that before. Where did I do that before? With Go Releaser. I might do both. So here, I used Go Releaser. Which, hey, Güero, you still there? Will you... There it is. We could use Go Releaser too. Because, it uses tags built in. Oh, Michael's trying to work? How dare he try to work and take you away from me? It's way more important you hang out with me. I'm not gonna see you all week next week. So here we're using Go Releaser. Oh yeah, and I remember I did the tags locally. So we should be able to, so instead of cutting a release, let me check out that branch. Where'd you go? I need to update this. Look. This is not what I do anymore. I've been promoted. Right, Güero? You promoted me? Well, I just got promoted then demoted. I used to be tech lead and now I'm just a human. Oh, I'm your boss now? Tell that to Greg. I don't think he's okay with that. Oh, I'm just the team goat? Yeah, I'll take that. So like if you do git tag A, which is add a tag with a message, and there's a way, so when you do git tagging, should be a way to do it with like a changelog and stuff. And then you do push follow. Is the appropriate way to do it. Annotated tag. Okay, so I was doing it right. The annotated tag does it. A is not add, it's annotated, which is what I wanted. Annotated tag. And is there like some best practices for releasing? Like, I'm probably gonna go back to the whatever I do for that branch naming, the pull request thing. Oh, and that's from Catalyst Community GitHub. Catalyst Community Church. There you go, Todd. When we go to Kubernetes, we should use this. That's not what I wanted. Where's your stupid template thing? Sorry, there's a template thing over here. That has a link I want. That wasn't it.
It's 3:30 p.m. Let's go grab a glass of water and a snack.
Where is it? No. It's like this repo generator, and it tells you how you're supposed to make PR commits. There it is. Oh, wasn't it? Something about a certain style of it like checked conventional commits. That's what I wanted. Ooh, no, go back. Cool. Feature, fix, refactor. I've been using build wrong. Add actions for Docker image. So, and then I git push. It's not force. It's not upstream origin. Follow tags. Huh, baby. And now it has a tag. So now if I go over here. What's wrong, woo-woo? What's wrong, woo-woo? And I push ready for review. Woo-woo. It should have a tag now. Isn't that nice? Doesn't have the full change log. And then, but you go here as you say create release from tag, and you go generate release notes. Bam. I won't do that until we've merged. But isn't that nice? Because I already have the tag. I don't need to make a new tag because I already pushed the tag. We just got to tag it with and then do the follow tags and we're good. Oh, Max! You guys can't hear it. Lulu's barking, and then Max just did the world's biggest groan. Lulu! Come here! Come here! Up, up! No, Twitch wants to see the Lulu, because she's so beautiful. Up, 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 up! Oh, yeah, there she is! The beautiful girl! Yes! She's so beautiful! Sorry, it's just YouTube. Only YouTube gets to see the beautiful girl! This is Lulu! Say hi, I'm Lulu! I'm the best part of the whole stream! Huh, Lulu. I think we need to take her outside. So I'll be right back. I'm muted. You don't even know that Max is here. This is Maxie. Can you say hi to Twitch? Can you say hi, I'm Maxie? Hi, I'm Maxie. Oh, Lulu feels left out. We've only been streaming for 1 hour. I know I started streaming it too, don't worry. Oh, which one of you's tummy hurts? Lulu. Her tummy hurts. Lulu. Oh no, is her barking? What is her barking? Does that mean you need to go bark with the Lulu? You need to go bark with the Lulu? Yeah. Okay, you can get off. You want to get off, Mom? Okay. Good job. You want to get off or you going to stay? You want to get off or you going to sit? You going to sit? Oh, he's staying. Okay, sit, buddy. Oh, they need attention. Okay. Sorry, today was kind of a bum stream, but I felt really good about it. I think I'm going to take off. We won't raid because there's no Twitch. And I'll see you around.